Everything in the universe, from the chair you're sitting on to the distant stars, is made of incredibly small particles called atoms. Atoms are so tiny that millions of them could fit on the period at the end of this sentence. Don't let their size fool you. These little guys are the building blocks of everything we see, touch, and even breathe. Imagine the smallest thing you can think of, then shrink it down 1,000,000 times. That's the scale we're talking about. Now you might be wondering, what are these atoms made of? Well, like any good construction crew, atoms have their key players. These are called protons, neutrons, and electrons, and each one has a special role to play in the amazing world of atoms, so buckle up as we dive into the center of an atom and meet the team. At the heart of every atom lies the nucleus, a tiny, dense core. Inside the nucleus we find protons and neutrons huddled together. Protons carry a positive electrical charge, like the plus sign on a battery. Neutrons, on the other hand, have no charge. They're neutral, like Switzerland. Together, protons and neutrons give the atom its mass or weight. But the real action happens outside the nucleus, where we find electrons. Electrons are much smaller than protons and neutrons, and carry a negative electrical charge. These tiny particles are constantly zipping around the nucleus at incredibly high speeds, like planets orbiting a sun. The way these electrons move and interact with other atoms determines how different substances behave. Think of atoms like Lego bricks. Just like you can combine different Lego bricks to build countless structures, atoms combine in different ways to create everything around us. For example, water, the lifeblood of our planet, is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom bonded together. It's amazing how such a simple combination of atoms can create something so essential to life. From the air we breathe, mostly nitrogen and oxygen atoms, to the food we eat, complex molecules made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and other elements. Everything is a result of these tiny building blocks coming together in fascinating and complex ways. The variety of the universe, from the hardness of a diamond to the softness of a feather, is all thanks to the different ways atoms arrange themselves. Understanding atoms is key to understanding how the universe works. By studying atoms, scientists can unlock the secrets of chemical reactions, develop new materials, and even explore the vast cosmos. For example, astronomers use powerful telescopes to analyze the light emitted by stars, revealing the types of atoms present in those distant suns. So the next time you look around, remember the tiny titans that make it all possible. Atoms may be small, but they are mighty, forming the very fabric of our existence and holding the keys to unlocking the mysteries of the universe.